Hello, my name is Jason, Senior Account Manager here at Tradesales. Behind us today we have a customised 40-foot locker container. This is built for one of our valued customers, Tinto, for their Mesa A mine site. The problem they were having was their workforce was growing with their workshop staying the same. So in order to accommodate the additional personnel, we had to come up with an innovative way to store their storage lockers on the outside of the workshop. So we came up with this 40-foot locker room container. We've sold a number of these locker room containers to a majority of mine sites around Australia to obviously improve your workshop efficiency, creating more space in your workshop, as well as having the same level of security. So I guess the primary benefits of this 40-foot locker container is the custom power points inside the units. These can be installed either externally or internally to your needs. They also comes with aluminium checker flooring in between the lockers. This provides a safe passage for people to tread with mud and grit on their boots. We've got a 5 kilowatt split system air conditioner in there. This is to obviously keep the locker room cool during the day. These air conditioners can be upgraded to your particular spec. Also comes with fully Mine-spec electrical installed into the container. Locker containers can be customised to suit whatever your individual requirements are. Please reach out to the team at Tradesales and we'll be glad to help.